Hey friends, hey y'all! I'm ContactCoCoDenise if you're new here, and welcome to Vlogmas. And it's a Kate Spade double unboxing. So we're just gonna jump right in. First, I went to the Kate Spade outlet. They ran out of bags. So this is the bag I have. This is the bag. It's just a plain brown paper bag. So the person that checked me out, it was her second day. So she told me that like 4 times. She was like, yeah, it's my second day. I was asking her questions about the bag. She knew nothing. Nothing at all. Anyway, let's move right in. Tissue paper. First unboxing. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about this bag? It is so cute and fun. And you know why I really like it? Because no emblems. I mean, it does have Kate Spade on here. It's a spade and it says Kate Spade, New York. Very small. Very small. It's very cutesy, very demure. So I am loving it. I am loving it. Faux fur. Like I said, it has Kate Spade there. On the actual zipper tag, it says Kate Spade there. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, no, it doesn't say Kate Spade on the strap. And of course, there's no fee. It's faux fur. All right, unzipping it. Y'all, it's no tag on this bag. It's no tag on this bag. There's no tag. All right, so let me go back to the story. The sales associate that was checking me out, she had already told me it was her second day. And of course, anybody that purchases bags know that you don't get the bag on, that's out for everyone to see. Everybody's been touching it, everything. So I said, hey, can you get me a bag? Do you have any bags in the bag? She said, okay, let me check. So she went and checked. She came back and she said, we have new bags in the back, but they aren't wrapped because we unwrapped all the bags for the holidays. I'm like, okay, that don't sound right at all. And she was like, would you like one even though it's not in the plastic? I said, yeah, I'd rather have that than one that's germ infested, you know? She goes back to the back again. She brings the bag out, puts it in the bag. I think it was so many people in there. The girl was so new. I was trying to, you know, I was just trying to give grace, you know? That's what I was trying to do because she was really nervous. She was trembling a little bit. I was asking too many questions. Anywho, back to the point, there is no tag on this bag. I mean, it doesn't look like anybody wore it or anything. I don't know why there wouldn't be a tag on the bag. Anyway, so this is the first strap. Let's open her up and we have a second strap. This is in the, I call it like the patina because it's that light, reminds me of the Louis Vuitton. And it is adjustable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 7 holes, so it definitely is adjustable. Okay, so this one is detachable also. I didn't know at first based on how these little gold locks were, because it looks like it's not detachable, but it's like a square lobster clasp. Uh-oh, wait. Yep, and see, that comes right. Okay. Okay, that's why I love Kate Spade. I mean, even though we are missing a back pocket, that's fine. Let's go in the inside. Okay, here's the tag in the inside. It says faux fur shoulder bag, light fawn, and this is the Kayla style. So this is the Kayla faux fur shoulder bag in the color light fawn. Inside, and we have an interior slip pocket, and then we also have a zip pocket on this interior zip pocket on this side. It also says Kate Spade New York. It has a little brown leather tag in here that says Kate Spade New York. And then it has Kate Spade, like monogram, I would say, throughout the entire inside of the bag. And it's like a cloth material. So cool. I didn't realize that I would be able to take this strap off. Okay, let's move to the second. Let's move to the second unboxing. Is it? I think it's the second unboxing. Ta-da! Ta-da! I got the faux fur strap. This does have a tag on it, and it's in the light fawn color. It just says faux fur bag strap. That's what it says. Kate Spade New York 2 times. And you can kind of see it here. And then it's also adjustable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjustable on both sides. So it's 5 holes on this side. And then it's also 5 holes on this side. Oh, look at here. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can even wear it on this side. Yep, you can either put the faux fur on that side and have it like this. I think that's cute too. And have the leather showing. And on the leather side, it says Kate Spade New York. Kate Spade New York right there. And then it says made in Vietnam on that side. No detail on the lobster clasp. Oh, yes it is. Hold up. It does say Kate Spade. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it says Kate Spade on here. Okay. Come through, Kate Spade. Y'all be sleeping on Kate Spade. And it also has it on this side too. That is the unboxing. Now I'm gonna show you what fits inside and how it looks. Okay, it's 3 straps. So I gotta show y'all all the straps, okay? Guys, one thing I don't like about this purse is that, well, the strap on the faux fur strap that I bought, once you put it in the highest hole here, it goes past the strap. So if you look here, it goes past the strap, which stops up here, and it's with the lobster clasp. This does look like it will crack and peel. I mean, the piping is very thick. But I mean, I feel like it's worth what I paid for it, which was like $100. All right, let me show y'all. So this is the strap. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think that matters that the strap is there because of how it rotates here. But it fits so good. It's light. So this is it. Okay. Take a look at the strap. Okay. Okay. From the side, which I will probably never do with this strap. Okay, this is just with the shoulder strap. Super cutesy. Fits nice and comfortable here. I mean, it might be different when I put stuff in it, but right now it does. Crook of the arm. Carrying her by the side. And then I'm just gonna add the last strap to it. Uh-oh. Look what I did. Okay, I guess you could do that. You probably can wear this as like a clutch. All right. Much lighter. Y'all, I love this faux fur strap, but the faux fur strap is a little heavier now that I just have my the regular strap on. This is so light, you don't even really feel it. Let's see what fits inside. I'm carrying my Lulu baby, toy Lulu. And I'm gonna see if everything I have in here fits in the Kate Spade. Starting with card holder, earbuds for work, pad, eyeglass cloth cleaner, hand sanitizer, Bath and Body Works lotion, Vaseline lip therapy, Burt's Bees lip oil. That's how that looks in here. Still have to put my phone. I have the Samsung 24 Plus. Fits just fine. And then I also have this Buzz Ball cocktail. I think this can fit in here. Oh, well, it fits. It won't zip with everything in there. So let me take my cocktail out. But all the things that I carry on a normal fits in here. As I'm putting my stuff back in here, I just realized my keys are missing. So I don't know where my keys are. But I need them. I have to go to work tomorrow. There you have it, my double Kate Spade unboxing. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have nothing to put in the comments, add a bag, add a Christmas tree, add a heart showing me some love, and I'll see you in the next video.